Hi children, today let us do punctuation and we are going to look at capital letters, use of capital letters. You look at the picture, you look at the sentence, we are going to use capital letter. So in punctuation, we are just going to do the use of capital letter. Look carefully at the picture and the word used, the capital letter. Now, let's look at our first picture. Then you learn for yourself. It's a very enjoyable, nice little exercise. Look at this little boy. What's he doing? He's eating. What is his name? Peter. Now, Peter is the name of the boy. So, Peter, the name must start with a capital letter. Your name, you should write in capital letter. Your dad's name, your brother's name, your teacher's name, anybody's name, we must put the capital letter. That's what we are learning. Yes? So, the use of capital letter. Name of this boy, Peter. What is Peter doing? Peter is eating his food. Very good boy. Peter is eating his food. When you write your name also, you see that you write it in capital letter. Good. Let's look at another picture. Shall we? Look at the picture carefully here. Look carefully. Now, what is this? It's a bakery, yes. What do you get at the bakery? You get bun and bread and biscuit and cake and whatnot. All yummy things you get there. Yes? Now, you and your sister, where did you go last night? Or where did you go this evening? We went to Adayar Bakery. This is the bakery. And where is this bakery? What is the name of the Adayar Bakery? Okay, the name of the bakery is Adayar. So we write capital letters starting Adayar, A, capital. Alright? Now, why do you go to the bakery? To buy nice things. So you and your brother, where did you go? We went. Where did you go? We went to Adayar Bakery. It's a name of the bakery, Adayar, A capital. Okay, good. Shall we look at another picture? Are you enjoying use of capital letter? Yes, name of place, name of person has to be in capital letter. Now, who is this? Yes, Pam is here. She's got a doll in her hand. She's dressing up, combing the little doll's hair. Who is this? Pam. What is Pam doing? She's playing with her doll. Pam is playing with a doll. Someone gave her a little cute doll, so Pam is playing. Pam is the name of this girl. We write the name beginning with capital letter P. P should be in capital because the name of a girl. Name of persons, name of boys and girls should be in capital. So we are learning capital letter. Pam is playing with a doll. Good. Are you learning? Let's go on to a new picture. Here, look carefully. Somebody is singing. Somebody is singing, enjoying singing on the stage. What is his name? Rohan. Name of a boy, it should be in capital letter. Rohan is singing a song. Singing a song for you. Rohan is singing a song. Name of the boy should be in capital letter. Yes, name of the boy, name of the man, name of this child should be in capital letter. Rohan. Good. Let's go to a new picture. Look what you see here. Or what place is this? Look at this word on top. School, definitely. School. My school is in. Where is your school? Is it in Delhi? Mumbai? No. My school is in Chennai. Chennai is the name of a place. It has to be in capital letter. So, my school is in Chennai. I am studying in Chennai school. So, Chennai should be written in name of a place. Should be in capital letter. Good. So you are learning. Let's go on to a new picture. Look carefully at the picture here. Somebody is very happy kicking the ball. What is his name? Tom. Tom is a little boy. Tom, Tom. His name should be in capital letter. What is Tom doing? He enjoys kicking the ball. Tom is kicking the ball and he's so happy. Name of a boy in begins with the capital letter. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. What do we see here? Somebody is driving a car. Okay. What is his name? Ramu. Ramu is the name of the man and R begins with capital letter. Ramu. What is Ramu doing? Ramu is driving his car. What is Ramu doing? He's driving his car. Name of a man. Name of a person. It should be in capital letter. So we are learning the usage of capital letter. Yes? Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look what we have here. Here's a little girl painting a picture. She's a painter. What's her name? Tina. Name of a girl. So we write her name in capital letter. Names of persons, girls and boys should be in capital letter. Tina is painting a picture. She's so happy painting a picture. Tina is a painter. Tina is painting a picture. Good. Let's go on to another picture. See what we have here. Look. Somebody's enjoying climbing a ladder. Who is climbing the ladder? Tom. Look at this little boy, Tom. He's enjoying climbing the ladder. What's his name? Tom. Name of a boy. So we write begin to the cap letter. Tom is climbing the ladder. He must be careful. He should not fall. Yes? Tom is the name of a child. Written cap letter. Good. Let's go on to another picture, shall we? Look what we have. Somebody's got a lot of gift packets or gift boxes in the hand. Somebody gave her a birthday gift, a birthday present, and she's feeling very happy. Rita is feeling very happy. Who is Rita? A little girl. Girl's name, Rita. Name should be written in capital letter. Somebody gave a lot of birthday gifts, so Rita is feeling very happy. She's showing off all her gifts to her friends. Rita. Name of a girl begins with a capital letter. Good. Let's look at another picture. What do we have here? Look. Where did you go? Yesterday? Oh, we went to Jumbo Circus. What circus? Jumbo. The name of the circus is Jumbo. So J should be capital. Different type of circus comes to town. Yes? This is Jumbo Circus. So it should be in capital letter. Alright? We went to Jumbo Circus. Jumbo. Yes? Capital letter. Use of capital letter is what we are learning today. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have here. Children love to go to park. Different parks look different and they're different playthings. So now the teacher says, come, let us go to Gandhi Park and spend a day there. What is the name of the park? Gandhi. It should be in capital letter. We love to go to Gandhi Park, says the students or says the children. We love to go to Gandhi Park. Name of that park, capital letter. Name of a park, that is. Good. Shall we look at another picture? We are learning the use of capital letters. Yes? Look. Who's touching the flowers and enjoying? What's her name? Mary. Mary is the name of a girl. Mary is touching the flowers. She goes into the garden. She touches all the flowers. Mary is the name of a girl and her name begins with a capital letter. So did you enjoy learning capital letters, use of capital letters, names of people, places? Yes, good. Shall we look at another picture, children? Here we are. Place, name for a place. There's a temple here. The temple is in a very special place. This temple is in what place? Madurai. Yes. So M, Madurai is the name of a place. So we write M capital letter. Did you enjoy the use of capital letters in this exercise? Good.